Our powder filling line offers remarkable flexibility with the capability to adapt to different container sizes. This means we can efficiently meet the needs of various powder projects with an average running time approximately 25 units per minute or 1,500 units per hour. With our powder filling line, you can expect swift turnaround times even for large volume orders. From the start of blending to labeling and shipping, we can complete orders of 10,000 units in just 4 to 5 days. Our powder filling line is optimized for both free-flowing and non-free-flowing materials, ensuring that we could handle a wide range of powder and product types. This versatility allows us to meet your unique product requirements effectively. As an industry-leading powder supplement manufacturer, we prioritize product quality and precision. To achieve this, we implement multiple quality checks throughout the process. Our line's ability to accommodate various container sizes and shapes is a key advantage. This means we can tailor our packaging solutions to suit your specific product needs. Whether you require a 20-ounce pre-workout or 5 pounds protein, we offer various sizes for your powder filling needs. For more insights and solutions, feel free to explore our resources or reach out to Vox Nutrition today. Your success is our commitment.